Here's a number 3. And poof, it's a whale drawn from it. Alright, Scribble Peeps, we're starting with a number 3. Yep, just one little number. But don't blink, there is more. Now, from this number 3, let's add a line at the top. This is for our whale's back. And for our whale's belly, draw a line at the bottom, curving gently. Just a quick swoosh on the side, and bam, our whale's ready to catch some waves. And let's add a line that separates the whale's belly from its back. One more thing before we add the big, top water splash. Let's give our whale an eye. Just a simple dot. But it's all it needs to give our whale a curious look, like it's ready to explore the deep blue sea. What do you think it's looking at? Maybe a ship? Or a school of fish? Now that our whale is all drawn out, it's time to add some color and bring this ocean giant to life. As we color in our whale, imagine it swimming through the deep blue sea. What colors would you use so you can make it unique? Let me know in the comments. If you're loving the drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can join us on more colorful adventures. Peeptacular job, Scribble Artists. Our whale's ready to make waves. Thanks for drawing with me, and remember, there are even more awesome and free videos waiting for you at scribblepeeps.com. Bye!